bond hearing on Mr. Nicholas Skylar Lucas. Is that you, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm David Clary. I'm a magistrate here in Cherokee County, and I'm here to set your bond on charges. You understand that? You just understand that part of it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Not asking guilt, innocence, anything of that nature. It's just, do you understand what you're here for?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you know what you've been charged with?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Well, I'll hear from the solicitor's office, and I'll hear from the defense, which is you. It is my understanding you've been charged with involuntary manslaughter. Hang on, let me read them so I'm sure that I don't make a mistake. Having a weapon or use of a weapon while under the influence of drugs and or alcohol. Murder and discharging a firearm into a dwelling. You understand those? You understand what I've just said to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me hear from the solicitor's office, from the prosecutor's office first.
May it please the court, Your Honor. On the charges, Your Honor, the involuntary manslaughter is going to be dismissed because we upgraded to a murder charge from that case, Your Honor.
Yes, sir.
And the murder case carries 30 to life, Your Honor. The discharge in a dwelling or firearm in a dwelling carries 0 to 10 years. And the use of firearm under the influence, Your Honor, carries a 2 years or $2,000 fine, Your Honor. Briefly give you some information on the facts of the case, Your Honor. This occurred on August 27, 2022, Your Honor, approximately 6:30 p.m. It happened 115 Salmborg Lane here in Gaffney in Cherokee County, Your Honor, in this situation. The defendant, Mr. Lucas, was another individual in his backyard target practice, taking targets at a shot. Is basically, and I've got pictures of it, we show in the court, Your Honor. Basically, it was like a satellite dish that was sitting at a tree. They were shooting at it. He had his weapon, which is a .45. The other gentleman had a 9mm, Your Honor. He wound up shooting it. What was unusual was it looked like there was shots that was fired into the, if I can show these to you real quick, I think it might make more sense, Your Honor.
Yes, sir.
Can I show this to the defendant real quick?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any questions about any of those, or you need to see a bit more?
Unless I'm very aware where I was shooting.
Okay.
And that's, you're correct. I was shooting that satellite dish.
Okay, I understand. You need to see me more, sir?
No.
Now approach the bench, Your Honor.
Sure.
Just showing you this from the start. This is the area that he was shooting from. He was shooting towards the satellite dish around where the stain is in that area.
Yes, sir.
These are just close-up pictures of that, Your Honor. The different angles of it. And Your Honor, going out there, if he shoots at the satellite dish, there's like brush, small trees that's behind that area, if you can see it there on the pictures.
Yes, sir.
Beyond that is actually a home behind that, not the victim's home.
Okay.
If you go out there and look at that house, or the area, it actually had 3 bullet holes in it, appeared like it. That house did. But where Miss Tate lives is basically a 45-degree angle from where he was shooting at. Her house is that direction. I'll show you these 2 pictures. You'll see where the sheriff's department took like a laser sight or a string
Yes, sir.
from where he would be standing, or approximately where he was standing to shoot. He shot through the door, her back door, like a 9-window pane, shot through it, Your Honor, hit her in the chest when she was looking out the window. She actually had the curtain back, because there's no hole in the curtain from there, in that situation. Let me show that picture with you too, Your Honor. Initially, when the sheriff's department went out there, they thought possibly it was a ricochet or something like that went off, or it just appeared that from there. But if you look at the bullets, which I'm going to show you a picture off my phone, Your Honor, that was from the autopsy. Yeah, I'll share this with the defendant too, sir.
Yes, sir.
You see that, sir?
Yes, sir, I see it.
You need to look at it anymore.
I said, what round is that? What caliber is that?
That's where it came from, her.
Is that a 45 or a 9?
What do you think?
I don't know, sir.
Okay. All right, if I approach you,
Yes, sir.
you can see that bullet didn't ricochet. That bullet's in pretty pristine condition from that standpoint. In this